Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to track overdue activities in Pipedrive in just a few minutes. If you've ever felt unsure about what you should be focusing on right now, this simple workflow will help you quickly identify tasks that have passed their due dates so you can regain control of your day. First, open Pipedrive and look to the left-hand sidebar. You'll find a section called Activities. Click into that. This is your central hub for everything you've scheduled: calls, meetings, tasks, and follow-ups, all organized in one place so you don't need to jump around different areas of your account. Think of it as your built-in to-do list inside the CRM, connected directly to your deals and contacts. Once the Activities page loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the list. That's where the filters are located. Filters are your shortcut to clarity because they allow you to narrow down exactly what you need to focus on. Instead of manually scrolling through everything, Pipedrive can organize it for you instantly with a single click. Now select the Overdue filter. As soon as you do, your list will update to show only activities that have passed their due date and are still incomplete. These are your priority items that need immediate attention. You'll often see visual indicators like past due dates, making it easy to quickly identify what's overdue. This focused view helps you avoid distractions from non-urgent tasks and plan your catch-up work more effectively. You might sometimes forget to mark tasks as done after completing them, so this view also helps you quickly review and tick off anything that was missed. On the same page, in the Priority section, you can also set or adjust the urgency level of each activity, helping you better organize what needs to be handled first. That's really all there is to it. By using the Activities section along with the Overdue filter, you build a simple but powerful habit. Check what's overdue, understand what needs attention, and decide what to handle first. If nothing shows up, you're fully caught up. If several items appear, it gives you a clear signal of what to prioritize. A quick note for context: overdue simply means the scheduled due date and time have already passed while the activity is still open. It doesn't affect your deals or contacts. It only changes your view so you can focus on immediate follow-ups. Also, the layout of your Activities page may look slightly different depending on your setup or plan, but the filters in the top right corner will always be the key area to check. So to recap, open Activities from the left sidebar, look to the top right for filters, and select Overdue. That's it. You now have a clean and actionable way to track overdue activities in Pipedrive. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and hit the subscribe button for more quick and clear tutorials.